Hello and welcome to Goa 365 Story Behind the Story. It's been a month, 15 days of fast-paced political developments. With the BJP, it's moving along like a well-oiled machine. However, the grand old party, the Congress, is, for want of a polite word, is stuttering along. But with me today in the studio are the people behind. They are all non-MLAs, but they are the people who are actually doing the work for the Congress and have been doing it for a long time. With me first is Sankalp Amonkar, the Vice President, and after Girish goes, I don't know. You know how the sequence goes after the President if nobody is there. But anyway, I will not say it. Pratima Kutino, the Mahila Chief, and the sword arm of the Congress, the sword arm of the COVID, like it's always been all these years. Now we have to discuss where they are. The Youth Congress is Varat Madolkar. Welcome guys to our show. Sankalp, I don't know, I'm a little bit at loss of words. What to ask you, how to ask you. So Sankalp, I will give you an opportunity to tell me where the Congress is today. And where do you see it 1 year hence?
See, right now, our in charge, AICC in charge, Mr. Dinesh Gundurao ji had come, and it was a 2-day visit. So in this 2 disa bhitar, जे आमचे office bearers, बाकीचे block presidents, even our ZP members, यांच्याकडे सगळ्यांकडे discussion झाले. It was a very hectic 2 days for him. But सगळ्यांकडे मेळ्या उपरांत डिस्कशन झालेले आसा. And see, right now we should not be demoralized because what you feel that regarding the ZP election, ZP जो झाला निकाल येयला तेजे लागून आमी demoralized कोण ना. But one way it is a lesson to us that we have to bounce back. And right now we are only thinking, all the youth generation and our party leader also, everybody is feeling that we have to go to the people, because see, the people have rejected us. The people have rejected us. Exactly, we have to find out the reason why the people have rejected us. And somewhere now I feel that it is because of our previous mistakes. जे आमचे काँग्रेस पार्टीकडे थोडी मिस्टेक झाला आणि आम्ही मान्य केलेले आसा. आणि लास्ट टाइम आमकां लोकांनी 17 आमदार दिवन सुद्धा वी कुड नॉट फॉर्म द गव्हर्नमेंट. सो लोकांक खंय तरी राग आसा. आणि त्याच्या उपरांत आमचे जे होलसेलान 10 आमदार काँग्रेसीचे वचून बीजेपीक स्वताक आपल्याक विकले पळय, थंयसरूय लोकांक राग आसा. सो तेज्या लागून हे जे झेडपी इलेक्शन असले ते आमकां दिसता की ते फक्त लोकांक दिसले की झेडपी इलेक्शनाक काय गव्हर्नमेंट पडपाना. बट दॅट एंगर अमॉंग द पीपल इज स्टील देअर अगेन्स्ट दीस गव्हर्नमेंट. एंड आय थिंक दॅट इट इज द राईट टाइम फॉर अस, फॉर द केडर्स and the youth especially, that we have to go to the people. The breach, the gap which is पयस जाल्लो आसा आमच्या लोकांच्या मदीं, we have to fill that gap. आनी म्हाका दिसता कितें we are in the right direction within this इलेक्शनाक आनी 1 वर्स उरलेलें आसा. And our main strategy will to work at the booth levels.
Yes, we have heard Sankalp now. Pratima, do you agree with this? Do you not agree with this?
See, let me start by saying, if एक झाड strong असतले जाल्यार, or झाड strong जातले जाल्यार, ताजी मुळां, roots have to be stronger. So I feel done is done, gone is gone. But now, looking forward, I feel that Congress has to come up with some powerful decisions. And when I say that, it should be like something like, decision should be like either perform or perish. Because we've seen people here in the Congress party who have been bought, imported, given big positions. Overnight they have made big leaders. Maybe some of them given good post with like spokespersons. Anybody comes and a post it up, but you don't see them on the ground working. And when you don't see them on the ground working, people also seem to note. So खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता that we don't want poster boys. Poster लावून आपण leader म्हणून depict करता ते आमकां नाका. We want people who are at the grass, who will go at the grassroots level and work for the people. See, somewhere as he said, I also agree to that these 10 MLAs of ours, people, Goenkalani, and including those also.
3.
Including those. So when they have left the party and gone, it was a mandate given to to the Congress by the people of Goa. So the hand symbol was been voted. So when they cheated and betrayed, I feel ZP खंय तरी आमकां तोय मार पडला कित्याक people, we have to win the trust of people. People are feeling that बाबा what is this, आमी तुमकां mandate दिल्लो, काँग्रेसा खाते एक mandate दिल्लो, ते आमकां they have taken us for toss. दुसरे म्हणटात ते पळोवपाक गेल्यार तुमी आयज पळयलां आसतलें that we have to connect with the people on the ground. We need blessings of the elderly people. We need at the same time we need youth. At the same time we need everyone. And today if you go to see BJP party, they are number one. Their IT cell is very powerful. When I say it's powerful, they should not take it as a compliment from Pratima Kutino. I mean to say it is good, number one, powerful for fabricated. Fabricate करून तेंका घालपाक म्हणटा तेंका एक medal दिवपाक जाय. Because if you go to see today, they play. I will make it on this forum. I will say that religion, caste, politics म्हणटा ते काँग्रेसान केन्ना करूं ना. We have never divided on religion or caste. आणि secondly, if you go to see, we have to revamp, restructure the organization from booth, block, district and the state committees. I feel somewhere they should be revamped. We have to win the trust of the people. And I feel when I say this, I will not talk anything against my Congress leaders, but at the same time I would like to mention this, that it is high time that they all come under one umbrella and start working.
Okay.
It should not be like I am the MLA of this constituency and I am going to only focus there. Since you are a Congress leaders, it should be all over.
A little later. I am not going to let you off so easy on these senior leaders. We will take you off little later. Now, एक point वरत प्रतिमा बायन आमकां कितें म्हणलें that about revamp of the organization, booth हें, but वरत revamp कितें करतलो? तुमचे organization structureच ना. Revamp कितें करपाचें? If you have an organization structure, you can revamp. What you have is the GPCC X number of people. Out of that, I will go out on a limb to say that including among your MLAs, you're a few, and the top, not more than 20% are actually working. 80% I really don't know where they are. So revamp, how is it possible? It's going to start with the youth, because that's the way it normally goes. The foot soldiers are the youth Congress, be it in Delhi or the BJP mandate. So you have a plan?
जर youth Congressच्या उलयत
Yes.
जाल्यार
Youth Congress घोटा जाल्यार senior Congress घोटा नाल्यार
करेक्ट. सो हांगा पासून आज आमी पळयता की आज आमचे मदीं आसा जे संकल्प आमोणकर जो युथ काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्लो, प्रतिमा कुतिनो जे
three presidents
प्रतिमा कुतिनो युथ काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्ले. सो आज जर युथ काँग्रेसचे जर पळयत जाल्यार आमचे 40 मतदारसंघांनी आमचे आज कमिटीज इन प्लेस आसा. सो आतां युथाच्यो सो आतां आमी बूथ लेवलाचेर आमी वचून काम करपाची आमची इच्छा आसा. आनी तें काम आमी आतां जानेवारी आणि मॅक्झिमम फेब्रुवारी पर्यंत आमी बूथ लेवलचे कमिटीज कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करून बूथ लेवलाचेर काम चालू करतले. कित्याक आमी हो जर एक झेडपी इलेक्शन एक जर आमी पळयत आनी हो एकंदरीत रिजल्ट पळयत जाल्यार एक आमी एक संकल्पान सांगले त्या प्रमाणे एक लेसन आमी शिकल्या की जे एग्रेसिवली बूथ लेवलाचेर आमचें काम जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें तें जालें ना अशें आमकां दिसता. सो तें करतलो जाल्यार आमकां लोकां पर्यंत जर पावतलो, खंयची स्कीम घेवं जाल्यार खंयचे आमचे पार्टीचे समज एक कितें मॅनिफेस्टो पावपा जाय किंवा खंय लोकांक समज एक आमची मदत पावपा जाय किंवा एक पार्टीची एक मेसेज पावपा जाय जाल्यार आमकां ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर पर्यंत पावतले जाल्यार बूथ लेवल कमिटी स्ट्रॉंग जावपा जाय आनी ते बूथ लेवल स्ट्रॉंग करपाचे कमिटीज आमचे एक जानेवारी फेब्रुवारी पासून कंप्लीट जातले. सो इतकें म्हाका तुका सांगलें.
Okay, now see, election jigpak. I'm not talking about campaign, I'm not talking about press conference. Election jigpak, your booth has to be very strong.
Correct.
This you'll have all fought elections. You'll have fought elections yourself. You'll have fought elections. I mean, been part of elections with different. You fought. All of us know how it works. We've been in this for a long time. Now, for you to win an election, your booth members, for example, how many you'll have in a booth? 10, 5, 10, whatever. Forget number 5. Now your booth members have to know everybody along that line, this I know that it used to happen once upon a time. I don't know how it works now. I'm aware how it used to work at that time. Now I bet he knows in his constituency. But that level of organization, if the Congress still had, I did not see it in the South Goa MP elections. South Goa MP elections. I am not talking about North Goa MP elections. North Goa MP elections, they sold the South Goa. I did not see it. in the 2021 constituencies, though you all had MLAs at that time. This is something that the Youth Congress is responsible for and has to take responsibility. Now tell me one thing, this is what I have noticed. Now I will just ask this question to everybody. This is the Congress style. Sankalp Amonkar, MLA of Panjim. Booth of not booth, the
Block.
total block, everybody is Sankalp Amonkar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sankalp Amonkar Gelo, Congress Ponje cover. Does this still continue, Sankalp?
See, presently that is the system where our party has to rectify.
But
We
it
have
still continues.
No. See, in past we have seen it. It has happened. We won't deny it that when a particular MLA leaves the party, our entire organization goes with him. So they leave the party. So this is something which has happened in past. But presently we are working on that, and we have appointed new block presidents and new committees at the block level, and I think so that it is not according to the nomination is not been done according to the what the MLA wants, because see, now we have a upper hand.
Good opportunity, because
and
MLAs
good
are very less.
and very less MLAs. So everywhere we have a open field. So it is see, one way I think it is very good for us, because आमची जी काँग्रेसी भितर जी हांव म्हणटा घाण आसलेली सगळे लोक गाय घालतात ते सगळे आयज बीजेपीन गेल्लेले आसा. आयज जो प्रॉब्लेम बीजेपीन आसा पळय हो प्रॉब्लेम आमी फेस करताले काँग्रेसीन, ती आयज सगळी बीजेपीन गेलेले आसा. आयज बीजेपीन तेंचे एक्चुअल बीजेपीचे आमदार म्हणटा ते कोणूच ना, एक 2-3 जाण सोडलेले ओरिजिनल. बाकीचे सगळे आसा ते सगळे आख्खी थंयसर काँग्रेस जावन पडलेले आसा, जे तेंच्यांनी हेल्लेले आसा आनी तेंकां पोजिशन दिलेलें आसा, लायक डेप्युटी CM, मिनिस्टर, बाकीची चेअरमॅनशीप, सो तेंकां गेल्लेले आसा. सो वी हॅव अ ओपन फील्ड वेर वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दॅट. आमी न्यू ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट्स अपॉइंट केलेले आसा एंड यंगस्टरांक फुडें काडलेले आसा, एंड दे हॅव फॉर्म अ गुड कमिटी. फाल्यां थंयसर कोणाकूय टिकेट दिलेल्या ते लोक तेजे लागून काम करतले, हेजे भितर मातसो दुबाव. नाव वी हॅव टू गो वन स्टेप अहेड, दॅट वी हॅव टू फॉर्म द बूथ कमिटीज. And our in charge, Sri Dinesh Gundurauji, has given us instruction in this 2 days visit that Baba, we have to focus on the booth level, and we are party. Our party has taken it very seriously, and we will be on the field. In further in next 15 to 20 days, you will find a difference, because people from the Congress party will be on the field. And as you said, there are only few people working. It's not like that. There are people. The Congress party is like a ocean. It is a mass. It is a mass-based party. It is not like BJP. It is not like BJP. We are a mass-based party. So we have a lot of people with us. Only thing, we have to get them together. See, and people are willing to. Only thing, we have to give that faith. जो लोकांक आमी विश्वास दिवंक जाय. सो विश्वास जो लोकांक आमचे वरसून गेल्लो आसा, वी हॅव टू बिल्ड दॅट फेथ अगेन. आणि ही जबाबदारी आमकां कोणाक तरी घेवची पडटली. एंड आय थिंक दॅट पीपल लायक अस, स्पेशली द youth leaders who are there with the Congress party, will take this initiative and will work at the grassroots level. There is no doubt about this.
Okay, Sankalp, fair enough. You have told the party line perfectly. You are a senior man. Now, Pratima, I'd like to much change the full this. Now see, now 50% of the electorate is ladies, right? And you are the Mahila chief. And from what I've seen is that you have got good response from the ladies. So you feel that people will, you feel that that could be one of the trust areas for you for the next election, concentrating on the ladies, doing a because I don't know, I'm sure you all know how the Congress works. It's all pressure groups. You so much more than positive value, more nuisance value. You get a lot of this. So you feel that that could be one trust area for you.
See, Glenn,
see, I'll just let me interrupt you a little bit. See the way the BJP works on the ladies. See the way your leader of opposition works, Digambar. See the number of self-help groups his wife controls. I'm using the word controls because whether it's polite or not, politically correct or incorrect, doesn't matter. He controls. See, but others, even you don't have. You have one co-group, that's it. But you don't have that full. Is something you can look at?
Glenn, let me tell you one thing. When initially, now it's been, I've completed 3 years as the Mahila chief of Goa, Initially, when I used to do my agitations, you must have seen around 300-400 ladies coming with me. I've gone around doing agitations of the price rise. I've gone LPG cylinder kela, electricity kela, petrol kela, and you would see that crowd that time. But then what happens, as we were just, it is connecting to what you all were talking. When you see that, that if you see and if you compare today, you will see that it is reduced. In why it's reduced? Because we had these MLAs who had this, under the Ashilyo. When they left, they made it a point that they take that Mahilas also with them. तुम्ही येनात जाल्यार तुमचे गृह आधार बंद करतली, तुम्ही येनात जाल्यार तुमचे फॅमिलीक जे पेन्शन मेळटा, घरान कोणाक पेन्शन मेळटा ती वतली. सो द थिंग इज वॉट वी हॅव टू स्टॉप दिस समवेअर. वेन वी आर रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग, वी शुड नॉट गिव द अपर हँड, वी शुड गिव द अपर हँड टू द ऑर्गनायझेशन पीपल. Like see, there's Youth Congress, there's Mahila Congress, there's Seva Dal, there's NSUI. So those people, because आमदार जाता पण आमदार वयता तेन्ना तो सगळो लॉट घेवन वयता. नाव लेट मी टेल यू, हालींच ते हांवें आनीन एज्युटेशन केलें पळय, ते आनीन एज्युटेशन केलें म्हणल्यार सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीत भोंवलें हांव. 28 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीज हांवें केलें. And it was sort of a revelation for me, I am telling you, because when I went there, I had the opportunity to speak and tell the people. When I could deliver them onions for 25 rupees, I could even convey the message that your mandate, तुम्ही जेका वोट मारिल्लो ट्रस्ट करून, तुम्ही कोणाक पातेन तुमचे वोट दिल्लो, तो आयज तुमचे बरोबर ना, तो आपले सेल्फ डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक गेला म्हणून. आतां एक बारीकशें सांगता तुका, एक जाणटी बायल मेळ्ळी म्हाका सालिगांव. She came and she held my hand and said, this is a blessing for you, because at this old age I don't have money here. I am dependent on the pension what I get from government, say 1,200 or 1,500. But Pratima 4 दीस हांव at least कांदे हे सवाय खातले आनी तुका सदां बरें मागतलें. So what I'm saying, by doing such things you have to connect to the people on the ground. So that is your leader, where the people should recognize you, not sitting in the ACs.
No.
And secondly,
no. Yeah, go ahead. No, but I don't agree with you. I'll bring you back on this.
No.
Not fully.
No. I'm telling you, you have to connect. You have to take issues. I'm telling you.
Winning elections is different from connecting, Pratima.
Winning elections is when, Glenn, there should be some discipline in the party. There should be some discipline, loyalty, and committed people should be recognized today. They are doing importing. We should not do importing. There should be a message gone to the crowd. The message should be gone to governments by our Congress High Command, saying that we are not going to tolerate this. We are not going to entertain this importing business. And if anybody goes also, there should be some discipline. आणि रिवॉर्ड करात जे कार्यकर्ता आसा काँग्रेसी खातीर, आमचे भाशेन 25-30 वर्साचे भुरगे जे काम करता तांकां दियात. बिकॉज when election times come, we have seen they talk about manipulating, they talk about money. Do you tell me so many leaders who are there today as MLAs, ministers, and तांचे पास तांचे कडेन कितें आशिल्लें, बट तांकां खंय तरी पार्टीन एक टिकेट दिल्ली म्हणून. बट टुडे द ट्रेंड इज विच शुड बी एबॉलिश सारको, विनिबिलिटी ऑन मनी. मागीर कितें जाता, तांकांच चान्स पडटा. कार्यकर्ता आसा, यूथ आसा, म्हाजी टिकेट डिनाय केल्ली एमपीची लास्ट, पण हांव घरा कडेन न्हिदूं ना, because it is organization. हांवें चिंतलें, Sarvina also is the Congress, I am also Congress, so we work together. But somewhere it's failing. Here there is big backing. They have to all come, connect, go to the grass. That was my issue.
Agreed. Yeah. Pratima, I agree. I'll just go back to her on this one point. See, I totally agree with you on this. Not that I disagree with you. There is a face. Fine. There are issues. But my issue with the Congress, which I had mentioned, which I had openly said before the ZP elections, and now I'm bringing it. You don't have an organization on the ground to win elections.
Organization has been gone, no, with BJP.
Wait. Even in Salseth. Now Salseth, this Sankalp, you were with me for the show.
Yeah.
We were throughout. He was in and out. I think you came the previous day.
Yes.
My issue is that now in Salseth, why do you need MLAs? Now leader of opposition has failed, according to me. The president of the Congress party has failed because he has no organization in Salseth. You show me the organization. Show me how many people came out for ZP. Show me. I want to see. I have not seen. We cover. We have been going live. Where are the people? You don't have an organization.
Exactly, that is what we are saying.
Yes, no? Youth Congress. For you, tell me, having a committee giving 10 names, I can give you. Where are the people on the ground? In Salseth. Forget about Murmugaon. He has. Sankalp has. Where is your party organization? Sankalp people or Youth Congress people or Varad Maradolkar's people or Digambar Kamat's people or Pratap Singh Rana, in Priol, in Satari, in Valpoi, where are your people? Tell me, who's your block? Do you have? Or it is Pratap Singh Rane's person? See, we are on TV, I am talking live. Whose people are they?
आता प्रतिमान सांगितल्याप्रमाणे ज्यांना आमचे ह्या मतदारसंघांनी काही मतदारसंघांनी जे आमचे आमदार केले,
प्रताप सिंग राणे काँग्रेस
प्रताप सिंग राणेचे पर या मतदारसंघात आमचो ब्लॉक आसा, फुल फ्लेश आमचो ब्लॉक आसा जो थंय काम करता. आता बाकीचे जे ब्लॉक्स आसा, जे काही ब्लॉक्स उरले आणि काही ब्लॉक्स जे आमदार आशिल्ले आमदारा बरोबर ते गेले. सो त्या मतदारसंघांनी ऑलरेडी PCC लेवलाचेर आमी कमिटीज ऑलरेडी काडलेल्यो आसा. युथ काँग्रेस तर 40 मतदारसंघांनी आमची कमिटीज आसा. आणि आता आमी हांव परत रिपीट करता, आता आमी जे ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर जर वतलो आमकां ब्लॉक लेवल कमिटीज इन प्लेस आसपा जाय, ज्यो आमी आता कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करपाचो आमचो प्रोसेस चालू आसा. सो अशें न्ही की हांव परत म्हणटा की आमी जो रिजल्ट जो जर पळयत जाल्यार काही जाग्यांचेर ज्यो आमच्यो कमिटीज नाशिल्ल्यो, जे बूथ लेवल कमिटीज नाशिल्ल्यो म्हणून आमचो ग्राउंड लेवल वर्क जालो ना. आणि ज्या पद्दतीन लोकांक भायर काडून वोटींग जावपा जाय आशिल्लें तें वोटींग जावपाक शकलें ना. सो म्हणून काही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमचे रिजल्ट आमच्या अगेन्स्ट गेलो. सो हे सगळे एकंदरीत विचार करतकीर आमकां कळून आलें की बूथ लेवल कमिटी ज्यो इन प्लेस आसपा जाय, जेणे करून आमचो रिजल्ट आज आमकां बरो येतलो आशिल्लो. सो हो
Okay, fair enough. But I may not agree with you, but okay, it's a good point. Sankalp, Girdoli, Dawarli, क्या हाल है?
We lost.
Correct. We were live. There were hundreds of people. Sankalp Amondkar was there. Reginald was there. I don't know who else was there. What happened?
See, basically,
I just want your reason. I'll tell you why. Because I want to. No, I want your reason why. Because I want to make a point after that. Yes, we have like 5 minutes.
You just mentioned two places. Yeah, Dawarli and Girdoli.
Yes.
See, I will because these are the main two places where all this agitation has taken place, and we were all there. And these results of the ZP, I don't think it will affect
In assembly.
Because Girdolim, what has happened in Girdolim, Chandor area, then Magasai, so all those areas, Congress has got 80% of the votes. 80% of the votes. Why we lost that city is only because of the Baldi, which comes in Kepe constituency of the Deputy Chief Minister, and there were around 3,300 votes, out of which 2,800 votes were gone to the BJP. 2,800 votes BJP got only in Baldi this thing part. So it was a big area. So because of that we have lost that seat. Otherwise Girdoli, Chandor, Makazam, 80% of the votes have come to Congress. Same story is with Dawarli. Dawarli mago test zalele asa. So these results, I will say that these results won't affect for the assembly election. Anyway, we will win the Kunkalim seat, we will win the Navelim seat, because see these results, and somewhere our party is working on that. As you said, Baba, we don't have a people in Salset at the ground level to work. I agree. We have to agree. The party has to agree. We have made mistakes. We have gone wrong. So we have to take the responsibility. As you said, because you are on the field, being a editor of journalism, when you be on the field, you come to know the pulse. And somewhere COVID also was one of the reasons why the people themselves has not come out, because the lowest voting percentage which has taken for the ZP election is from the Salsett area. That was 36%, 38%. So those are mostly from the Salsett area. So the people, and mostly what I feel, there was an anger among the people because of these three projects, that is double tracking, coal hub and Mollem issue. So people did not wanted to vote because they knew even getting somebody else voted, the government will not fall. So people are waiting for an opportunity. When the assembly election come, they will definitely come in full swing. Last time they have bought Congress 17 seats. I am telling this time we might be even in 2022 will be with 21 seats. So that much things can change. See, in politics, you don't know what will happen next. Absolutely. We never accepted that our 10 people will sell themselves to BJP and leave the Congress and go to BJP. So we never accepted that. But that thing also has happened, because in this government, people are watching what government, the BJP government, they are just trying to use their power, the money power what they have, and trying to create all these problems and panic among the people. People are not happy. See, a government,
Okay.
in a government, the people should be happy.
Okay.
Here the people are not happy.
Yeah, okay, fine. Now, Pratima, to bring it to you, because we've not got too much of time. But see, you are the face, like you do these agitations, onions and
Everything.
onion agitation and all that, and you get covered. But there's a difference in perception, all that, and there's a difference in winning elections. Winning elections booth-wise, actual infrastructure. So, you feel that the Congress needs to work on that. Sankalp is saying that he needs to go, but you need to understand that a political party goes for elections to win. A political party has to go for elections to win. And do you feel that the Congress party has forgotten to win? It feels that because the people are upset, they will vote for me. Entitlement. Is it that you feel? Or it's still there, that hunger is there to win?
Very much the hunger is there to win, because we have served people. Congress is the largest party, as I've always said, the biggest
Not
organization in the world, I can say.
Not anymore. We are almost out of time, Pratima. So, we'll have
See,
to
so
cut
let
it.
me tell you, politics, let me mention this, that politics is about, politics is dynamic. It's not static, Glenn. It's dynamic.
You're not answering my
It
question.
is, it changes. No, I'm telling you. Now, as Sankalp has said, ZPIC त्यांचे आयले ते आय सारखे ढिंडोरा घेऊन नाचपा लागल्या जिंकले म्हणून. No, actually, if you go to see, certain section of voters have voted for them. But as he said, I would also like to vouch on it that 2022 is gonna be like, if he said 21, we can come to 25 if we start our work from day one now. Revamp Korpak, structure in Korpak, strengthen Korpak. आणि BJP, you should not forget that BJP party is in ruling today. They are in power. The almost full power. They are not in alliance and all. सगळे हांगा तांकां घेऊन तेणे पावरान तेणे आसा, and money has played a big factor. Money has played a big factor.
Election,
It
part
was
of
ego
election.
for them. It was an ego for them. But this same thing is not going to be in 2022.
Okay,
2022
I hope
people
you're
are going
right.
to teach them
I hope
lesson.
you're right. But basically, you answered my question. That ego
But
for them is what?
we-
Why the hunger
we have to
win.
admit,
It
we
is-
have to admit.
Last 30 seconds, Bharat. If you have to say anything, last 30 seconds.
एकंदरीत सगळे जर आज माहोल पळयत, बीजेपीन आज भ्रमान रावचे न्ही की झेडपी इलेक्शन जिखल्या म्हणून बीजेपी 2022 असेंब्ली इलेक्शन जिखतले म्हणून. कित्याक ज्या पद्दतीन आज बीजेपीची आज राजवट चल्ल्या गोंयान, जितक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आमी आज पळयता, इतके आज इश्यूज एनवायरमेंट डिस्ट्रक्शन आज मोठ्या प्रमाणात चालू आसा, जावं ते मोल्या जावं गोंयान कोल हब करपाचो विशय जावं किंवा आणि इतर विशय ज्या सादे ते आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट डोल्स प्रॉमिस केले, आज पेन्शन आज ते रिलीज करना. सो हे सगळे जे फॅक्टर्स आसा पळय, हे फॅक्टर्स आज फाल्यां बीजेपी म्हारग पडटले आणि काँग्रेसीन लोकां फुड्यान एक बरें ऑप्शन म्हणून येवचें पडटलें. आनी तें करतलो जाल्यार आमकां पयलीं ऑर्गनायझेशन इन प्लेस घालून आमकां पयलीं स्ट्रॉंग जावन लोकां फुड्यान आमी एक बरें ऑप्शन म्हणून वचचें पडटलें.
Yeah. Thanks, Sankalp. Thanks, Pratima. Thanks, Bharat. Now, the Congress is optimistic. I don't know. At least they have begun to admit that they need to work on building up the organization and the infrastructure, grassroots infrastructure. Time will tell, not too long. Thanks, Sankalp. Thanks, Pratima. Thanks, Bharat. And keep watching Goa 365.